What's up guys, again this is 1 minute beatbox lesson, and today I'm going to share to you how to create an outward lip roll sound. Okay, so outward lip roll sound, it sounds like this. Okay, to do that you need to vibrate your lips, use your lips and try to produce a vibration in it, like just try it now, like doing a bass, but you're making a vibration there. Okay, to do the exact outward literal sound, try to pronounce a woot 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 together with the vibration, like this. Okay, just try it now, and if you can create that outward literal sound, you can combine it to any pattern you want, any beatbox you want, like this. Okay, just do your best and don't give up on creating that sound. Just practice every day. Thanks for watching guys, and see you next time. Peace.